Market regulator SEBI that has cleared path-breaking corporate governance norms for India Inc. The regulator today has made it compulsory for every corporate to have a whistleblower mechanism and has also directed enhanced disclosures be made on salaries of top executives. ET Now's Mrunali Krishna is here to bring us up to speed with everything that the SEBI board decided today.
Tanya, of course, we've had a big discussion about the new corporate governance norms. Of course, this is in line with the new Companies Act that the SEBI was looking, of course. The first and foremost, of course, is the flexibility for independent directors. Of course, there has been a big question about how independent these independent directors on board of companies are. So you've seen a couple of decisions coming in today. No stock options to be given to independent directors, a cap on the tenure. Also the fact that they will be looking at the remuneration of the independent directors. There was a proposal for an outside agency to really look at the independent directors' remuneration so that they're not dependent on the company per se to get their salary. So all of those things essentially are going to give the independent directors more room for independence in the true sense. Some of the other decisions that were taken, of course, is the encouragement of a mandatory whistleblower policy, which is very important according to SEBI, because it will help stem out any malpractices that are going to be coming inside within the corporates. They have been talking about how shareholders, how essentially stakeholders within the company need to be more vigilant. The finance minister said yesterday how directors and other stakeholders in the company need to be more vigilant. The regulator should only step in when there is a gross misconduct or a criminal violation that comes in. So it's in line with that. Another very important decision that was taken today, of course, was on the mutual fund policy. You heard SEBI Chairman UK Sinha say that they don't really find a stable place in the hierarchy of financial assets, investment options, and both the government and SEBI have been trying to make mutual funds as a vehicle for investments to take off. That really hasn't happened after the whole entry load ban, where the industry has really lost a lot of investors, and which is why there has been long-term policy that the SEBI board today approved. There have also been tax swaps that have been given out for a certain kind of retirement policies, essentially really, to get long-term investment from retail investors, in order to get retail investors to open their and loosen their purse strings and invest into the mutual fund mutual fund space. That is really going to help the assets come into mutual fund industry, which has been struggling with a whole lot of redemption pressure in the recent few years.